also true, if the first statement is true and the second statement represented by Q is true, then the conjunction of the two statements is also true. Another example, a specific example. Now, if the first statement is true and the second statement is false, it will be false. The conjunction is false. If the first statement is false, the second statement is true, the conjunction is false. And likewise, if both P and Q are false, then the conjunction is also false. So the only time that the conjunction will become true is when the first statement is true and the second statement is false. Example. Let R 5, the value is 5, be a rational number. Do you know the meaning of a rational number? Rational number is something that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. Amoy di jay? Sinot saan? Kasi hamo-amo dating ibaga nga true or false if you don't know the meaning of a rational number. Deta, rational. Okay? Ulitek. Irrational numbers get numbers that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. Ano the integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah, blah, blah. 0, negative 1, negative 2. Kasi yan, digil yan yung integer. So, is 5 an integer? Sino may bagat saan? Sino mangibagat amman? Yes, it is. 5 is a rational number, apay. Can you write it as a ratio of two integers?
5, sir?
5. That's not a ratio. 5 times 1 is not a ratio. How can you make 5 as a ratio of two integers? The ratio of two integers, kasi ano ka nag-isurat tayo ratio, kasi kaya yan. Ha? Wala. R Okay. 5. Alam ko ba kung ito ng ratio kasi 1:2. Kasi yan ba? Another way to write a ratio is like this. It's a fraction. A ratio is a fraction. Now, can you write 5 as a fraction? What? Another fraction nga kasano pa lang isulat multiply as a fraction. 1/5 is not the same as 5. 1/5 is not equal to 5. 0.5 is not equal to 0/5. Ana, it's not equal to 3. Ana, dyan tayo yung 3. 3/2. Ha? 3/2. 3/2 is not equal to 3/2. 3/2 is 1.5. It's not 5. 5. Ano? 5/25 is not equal to 5/25. 5/25 is the same as 1/5. It's not equal to 0.5. 0.5 is 1/2. Na? 2.5? 2/5 is not equal to 2/5. Wala sino makaibagan ni correct answer. Ang plus 5, ang plus points man sa 5. 5. is not equal to 5. It's not equal to 1 half. Alam mo, over sa half namin, and this is 1 half, 0.5. Anak, how are you going to write 5 as a ratio? Oh, plus 5, the next na test. 5 over? Correct. 5 over 1. 5 over 1 is the same as 5. You did not change the value. What's 5 over 1? It's still 5. 5 is the same as 5 over 1. 5 divided by 1 is the same as 5. Are you here? Ala, i-remind mo kanya, may plus 5 mo ah. Na? Inbagan ni? Sino nang ibaga? Ay, by group? Divided by 5 no ko ah. Dito nga group, mano kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 divided by 15. Ibagam to, i-remind mo kanyak di group chat. When malipatak kami, di kita inawan di. Di group chat namin, uray malipatak namin, subyanak namin di group chat no ka adansan nalipatak nga yung brad ko nak namin no kwa. Em no awan ti pang kitak, awan jak ba lagi given. So 5 is 5 a rational number? The question now is 5 a rational number? Yes, because you can write it as a ratio of two integers. In a ratio form, that is 5 is to 1. In ratio form. In fraction, that is 5 over 1. 5 over 1 or 5 divided by 1 is 5. That is still 5. You did not change the value. Now, 15 be a prime number. Is 15 a prime number? The prime number nga makunkun na ket the factors na ket the number and 1. Just like for example 3. Ano ti factors ti 3? 3 can 1. Adakan pa sa bali nga factors ti 3. Can you say 2 times 3? No. 2 and 3? No. Ano nga numbers ti pag multiply to get 3? 3 and 1, 1 and 3, ano pa nga numbers? Awanin. So, no tinaalam nga factors get 1 and the number itself, you can say that it's a prime number. How about 5? Is 5 a prime number? How about 6? Is 6 a prime number?
Yes.
6. Another factors ni 6. 6 can 1. It's decimal kaya. It's multiplication and multiplication na nakapating na dito. 6 times 1 or 1. 1 times 6. But, ito. At dapay sa bali nga numbers. You have 3 times 2, 2 times 3, at dapay? Awanin. Di mapunto na nga prime, dapat kasi lang ti factors na. The number itself, sudijan, and 1. Ngayon, kapag na naalam na other numbers na factors, 6 is not a prime number. Now, we go to 15. Is 15 a prime number? The factors na can 15 times 1, 1 times 15. Can you get other numbers? 3 times 5, 5 times 3, ano 5? 1 eh. So, 15 is not a prime number. Okay? Now, we go to the solution. Kung ano to, 5 is a rational number. It's true. The first statement, P, is true. 15 is a prime number. It's false. 15 is a composite. Composite ka na sa word, it is composed of other numbers. Nararamid ko lang di dyan. Composed of. Nararamid. Ngayon, you can link it to that way. Kasi composed of other numbers. Kasi yan. Tapno malaglagip yung composite. Okay? And then, the first statement, if we are going to get the conjunction of the first statement is represented by R, It's not P. Kung nagtatay, it can be any variable. Ngayon, di pinaka-generic kat P and Q. Okay, so mabalin nga R. The first statement is R, that's true. The second statement is false. So, what will be
False.
the answer? Dati statement R be a rational number and 15 be a prime number. Okay? So, from our table, the first statement is true. The first statement is true. Adirogan tayo, dididwa nga true. True. But the second statement is false. So, dito kabatog na. The first statement is true. That is our R. The second statement is false. So, no pag-combine ng dididwa nga statement into one, the truth of that is false. Take note that in the truth value, ti alalain tayo, usas to nga ta, DJ statement na, kasjay. Okay? Kasi we are into logic. When we are not after what is being said. Tilang ibaga tayo ng ibaga na, false, true, false, kung kunatay lang. And then if they combine, is the combination a true statement or not? DJ ti usar ti truth table. Okay? And the truth table for conjunction is only true. It's only true when both the first and the second statement are true. DJ lang, false amin no kwan. Okay, next. Next example. X be greater than 9. X is greater than 9. And X be a prime number. Do you know the numbers greater than 9? So what are those numbers? How about 9.5? 9.1? Huh? Ala, sigurado nyo ito, magbagayo kasama ang patang-patang kailatan. Is 9.1 greater than 9?
Yes, sir.
Of course. So, no timbaga na ticket number timbaga na lang kaya. A number can be anything. 9.1, 9.0001, that's still a number. Ngayon no timbaga na kat integer, what is an integer greater than 9? Can you say 9.5? Is 9.5 an integer? Ala, dun sa subyanan yung nga topic, oh. Is 9.5 an integer? So, the answer is no. The integers nga makunkun na, the counting numbers. The counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awan ti 9.5, 1, 1 half, kung kunam awan. Counting. When you count, ada ka di bagbagam nga 1 half, 1, 1.5. Hanggang kakount ni kasya, di ba? When you are counting, you always say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awan ti 1 half na. Puro buo. That's counting. O, mano kay amin ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, adagudwa lang. Vampira. Imay lang di kalahati ti bagina. Can we say like that?
No, sir.
No. That's not nukurang nga yun discard no ka di dyan. Hang exact. So, 9 lang ti addad to. Kasi lakas dyan no kwan. And then 0 is also an integer. And then the negative of the counting numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So those are integers. So what's the next integer? Greater than 9?
10.
10. Next? 11. 12, 13. Kasi dyan. Okay, that's the first statement. X be a prime number. No. We don't know the value here. Okay? X be a prime number kung nanakit. We don't know what's X. So we cannot say if it's true or false. Okay, so kung nanad to, ito solution na. Since X is a variable whose value we don't know, let us define a range for A and B. Okay, to define the range, let us take certain values of X. Okay, example lang dito. When X is equal to 6, A When x is 6, is x greater than 9? So A is false. Our statement 1 is false. If x is 6 a prime number? No. So, ni statement A, statement A and statement B, okay, they are both false. Okay? Dito nga, hamu-amu kasi variable pa lang. That's why you have to put some values. No ni x ket 3. Is 3 greater than 9? Haan. So it's false. Is 3 a prime number?
Yes.
We go to the second statement. Is 3 a prime number?
Yes.
Apa nga prime number ni 3?
3 times 1.
Okay. Awan sa bali nga factors nan aside from 1 and itself. So, the first statement is false. The second statement is true. Okay? So, if you put a conjunction to that, isukatan tayo ni x kas tinukat ni statement na detan. 3 be greater than 9 and 3 be a prime number. So, the first statement is false. Second statement is true. So, if you combine them, false. Okay, based from our truth table. Di truth table tayo, false yun muna. True dyan sumaro no. Yung pag-combine them, false. Okay? X is, ano dyan ko nanan? 3 is greater than 9 and 3 is a prime number. Kasi te conjunction na nukan. The whole statement, conjunction is false. Kasi dapat correct nga dua di statement so that the whole statement for the conjunction is true. Okay, now, when x is equal to 10, i-substitute tayo ni 10 ken ni x. X be greater than 9, true. X be a prime number, false. 10 is not a prime number. So true, false, or if you combine, false. So 10 is greater than 9, but not a prime number. So when we go to 11 is greater than 9, true. 11 is a prime number, true. So if x is equal to 11, then both statements will be true, and then the conjunction is also true. Okay? So another example aside from 11. Another number na greater than 11, greater than 9, which is also a prime number aside from 11. Okay, 13. If x is 13, both statements will be also true. Next, 17,
19.
15, 19,
Duwagan.
17, 19. Okay, what's next?
21.
21 is not a prime number. 23. Okay. 27 is not a prime number. 23, 24 is not, 25 is not, 26 is not, 27 is not, 28 is not,
31.
29 will be next.
31.
29, 31, then 33. Then what's next? 33, then 35 is not. 39 is
37.
not a prime number.
37.
37. Okay? 37. Then followed by 41. Then
43.
43.
Tapos 47.
Third, 47.
49.
49 is not a prime number. 51. Okay, and so on. Okay, digit tayo tumugma nga values ti prime numbers. Okay, we got to this junction. A statement formed by adding two statements with the connector or, and when two statements are joined in a statement, it will be expressed symbolically as P or Q. Take note of P or Q. Now, this is the truth table for disjunction. Kitain nyo na laing. Di ba ni conjunction, the conjunction is only true if statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Di ba? No, may sa kanya dati false, false amin. Well, in a disjunction,
Ala.
okay, it will only be false if both are false. So kita nyo, no true can true, it's true. No true can false, it's still true. Okay, the statement is still true. If false and true, it's still true. And then no false can false, that's the time nga balin nga false jay statement mo. Kasi wrong di may isa, wrong di may kadwa, wrong aminen. Kas jay. Example. Ha? Ala, jak sa mo na ipan example na.
Awan sir.
I forgot to put the example. Okay. We go to our conjunction. Nalakatay na garamidan deta. Okay? Mabalin nga usarin tayo dito. 5 be a rational number or. Instead of saying and, we use or. 5 be a rational number or 15 be a prime number. Is it true or false? The first statement is true. The second statement is false. So, true, false, anat sumaruno?
True.
True. Okay? True. From our truth table, true, then false, it's still true. Digita nag-sweetik kakit. At least si mama may isa kas lakas dyan. Still true. Okay? So, second, x be greater than 9 or x be a prime number. So, let's take our 11. 11 be greater than 9
True.
and 11 be a prime number.
True.
True can true
True.
is true. Okay, how about this is 6?
False.
X be 6 be greater than 9 and 6 be a prime number.
False.
Duwa nga false,
False.
so it should be false. Okay, nalakan nga test dito. Kastoy, danto test yung nga kastoy. Identify yun no false DJ statement. We go to tautology. Dito. Di ba ko natin di kalman, a tautology is always true in every possible interpretation. It can be x is equal to y or x is not equal to y. So both of them are true. Okay? We have this one is the truth table for, I forgot to write the correct
Disjunction.
isurat ko lang kay
Texture no ko ito, di ba? Texture the arts. Roughness.
Okay, let's go back. Yes, sir. In our tautology, listen. In our tautology, there's no specific symbol for it. but instead, we are still using and on or.
Conforme,
And
sir.
or. But when we make our statement, in every possible combination or interpretation, kunana, the answer is always true. Okay? What's that? Now, one example of a tautology is like this. Either it is raining or it is not raining. We use the word or here. So we are going to use the truth table for or. Nawatan? So, ano ti truth table tit or? Di ba salang ang false ni or? Salang ang false ni or, no? Salang ang false ni or, no? Huwada ket false. Okay. Itatan. We have here our first statement. Our first statement ket either it is raining. It is raining. Actually, our first statement, it is raining. Definitely connective tayo, or it is not raining. The second statement, it is not raining. Either it is raining or it is not raining. So the first statement, is it raining?
No, sir.
It's false. Okay? So,
False, sir.
it is not raining.
True.
True. Okay?
T.
Kasi ano kwa? It is raining, kitain nyo. False. It's false. It's not raining. So if it's not raining, it's not raining.
True.
It's true. Niko, it's raining. Well, so false, true,
True.
the answer is true. Okay, it's still true. Okay? Is it raining? Nuka maagtudtudo ko marata. Is it raining?
Yes.
Oh, true. No, it's raining. Obviously, awan di kabaliktadan na. So, it's not raining will be false. Okay?
True.
So, true, false. But since we are using the truth table for or, may isa lang ti false na, so true latta. Okay, so this is an example of a tautology. The statement is a tautology. Basta no, i-interpret mo the other way. No, one is false, agbalin nga true. No, true nga dua, okay man lang. But how? Mabalin ka din nga it is raining and at the same time it's not raining.
May sir.
Mabalin?
May sir.
It's raining but it's not raining.
May sir.
Madi ah.
Madi, sir.
Okay. No madi, that is what we call a contradiction. Okay? So when you say it is both raining and we are using our and not raining, agtudtudo nga sa amin agtudtudo. Something weird. So, nagtudo, obviously, awan tudo. No, awan tudo, obviously, ay, no, agtutudo, obviously,
Nagtuttudo.
baliktad. Nagtutudo, obviously, mali yan, makatikaw. That's why it's called a contradiction. Okay? No true jamaisan, false jamaisan. Then take note, we are using our connective and. No and, we go back to our truth table for and. Ay, diyan. Deta. No and tinusar mo, the only time it becomes false is
No, tama di nga may sir.
wrong gaya. The only time that it becomes true is when both of them are true. And all the rest, basta nagparang ni F and F no kan. Okay. Nimit and, nimit or, agbalin lang nga false, no duwa nga false. Okay. Detikat, agbalin lang nga true, no duwa nga T. Agbalin nga T, no duwa nga T. Ni or, agbalin nga F, no duwa nga F. Cash dyan. Okay? Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Can you not follow? Can you follow and not follow? Oh, can you follow but not follow? Kasta di kita natuman ng kwa. Two-timer. Two-timer. Two-timer di kita ng kwa. Di kita makaaramid ti kasjay. Awan contradiction na kanyata di kita. Basta duwan at tanong ka di jayen. Di ba? Oh, let's take for example Mr.
Castillo.
Ha? Castillo. Ni Mr. Castillo, hanangan in deny. So there's no denial here. Ito nga, he did not deny, so it must be. Ayan. Okay, tang, win ko na. Silence means yes. Okay? So, the tautology always true, the contradiction always false. Because you cannot, take note, you cannot do, it cannot be raining and not raining at the same time. Take note that when we look for a contradiction and a tautology, it depends on the statement. Well, sometimes dagiti statements nga ag binaliktad. Okay? Nga cannot happen at the same time. Clear? Are we clear with that? Ay, nadipan ko nga may salat tayo. Okay, we got to quantifiers. DJ universal quantifier. The universal quantifier tibagbagan na for all. Amin. Ni existential quantifier, there exists. Kunana, uray may isa lang, basta there exists. Uray may isa. Okay, now, how are we going to negate a quantified statement? Take note that when we negate something, negation. Where is our negation? Wala.
Awan sir.
DJ, ingkas JK di kalman? Apa yung matan? Di ba, da DJ di kalman, nadalit kung saan? Da.
The presentation sir.
Dahil nga presentation. Awan yung nubrak na sa bali. The negation. Dito eh. Sorry. Dito eh, negation. Okay? Negation means not. Dito eh. So yan tiyanan. So not. So dito negation tayo. Negation, not. Okay. Now, if we are going to use quantifiers, how are we going to negate quantifiers? Okay, kasi ti rule na. If the statement follows this rule, all A are B. A and B, they are variables. You can say, all Bitilad students are noisy. Kas lakas yan. Ti A mo kat Bitilad students, ti B mo kat noisy. All Bitilad students are noisy. Kas yan. So nga, delicate format lang ang format. So A can be any statement. So if you follow this statement, then ay saan? So all timbaga ko man ni teacher kat all Bitilad students are noisy. Ngam addaam mo nga hanga noisy, di maturog. So what will you say? No sir. What will you say? Kasi no not all, maybe some. Some lang. Okay? Maybe some. Uray may isa, da may isa nga makaringgor, kasjay lang. But not all. So basta no saan amin, adalang may isa nga makaringgor, di maturog, it's not true anymore. So di baga ni teacher nga all, hanga sa stone. So how are you negate that? So at least one Bitilad student is not noisy. Okay? Sunod di jay, di maturog. Ngayon, malaksid di turog na kung pala na noisy lak ka dito. Noisy at manukad, awan makaligtas. Okay? Or instead of saying at least one Bitilad student is not noisy, you can also say some Bitilad students are not noisy. Tingnan papada amin ti meaning na detoy. So, instead of saying at least one Bitilad students not noisy, you can say some Bitilad students are not noisy. Are we clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about no A or B? Same statements tayo matlang. No Bitilad students are noisy. Ket nasawen awang makaringgor. Ngem kuna jemay nga teacher, no, da nakita nga makaringgor kuna na. So at least one Bitilad student is
Not
noisy. Agpapada amin di A type kan B. A is Bitilad student, B is noisy. So susurutan lang yung format na. Okay, at least one Bitilad student is noisy. So binaliktad mo kun timbaga nga ni teacher kat no, awan ti makaringgor ngamin baga di may sa teacher at least adda maysa nga makaringgor. Okay? Or you can say no nga at least one. You can say some, no more than two, no more than one, and some Bitilad students are noisy. So if your statement is now existential dito yan. Dito yung first two for all. Kung na dito for all. For all. Dito yung next two statements dito get existential. There exists. So at least one Bitilad student is noisy. Or some Bitilad students are noisy when you negate that one. I-negate mo kasla baliktad
no.
So, no, adda makaringgor, kung ni teacher ka, adda may isa nga makaringgor nga Bitilad, anat kabaliktaran na. No, awan ti makaringgor. Di ba, Kasyay? You cannot say, ma'am, adapay may isa. Duadan ukwan. You cannot say that one. You just reinforce the statement of the teacher. Litag ulitin tayo, tap na mawatan. Tikuran ni teacher, adda may isa, at least one. Adda may isa nga Bitilad student nga makaringgor. Tapos kuna may ubing nga may sakit. Sir, you're wrong. Adadadwa nga makaringgor kuna na. So, did you negate the statement?
No.
In-negate mo the statement ni teacher. Timbaga tin-claim ni teacher ka adda may isa nga makaringgor. Okay? Nimbaga may estudyante, sir, wrong ka, duada. You did not negate. In-reinforce mo lang din baga ni teacher nga adda makaringgor. Tilang nakita ni teacher, ket may maysa. Ngayon, inbagam nga dua. So, kahit nasa uwan, talaga nga naringgor ti klase. So, to negate the statement of the teacher, ti bagam kat, ma'am, awan makaringgor. O, di ba? No Bitilad students are noisy. So, di dyan ti kabaliktaran na. So, no, ibaga ni teacher nga, adada Bitilad students nga makaringgor. So, ano't kabaliktaran na? Ma'am, sir, awan Bitilad students nga makaringgor. So, no Bitilad students are noisy. Okay? So, ibaga ni teacher man, at least one Bitilad student is not noisy. Oh. Kabaliktaran dito we are now talking about digiti saan nga noisy. At least one Bitilad student is not noisy. Anat kabaliktaran na. Kasi ti pagpokpokusan tiket kunan ni teacher ket adda saan nga makaringgor. Yan no kayat mo nga i-disprove ni teacher, sir, amin kami ket makaringgor. Okay? All Bitilad students are noisy. Are we clear? And how you are going to negate? Okay, another one. Kastoy. Somebody brought a flashlight. Somebody is at least one. Ayan. Somebody brought a flashlight. So, at least one brought a flashlight. So, ano nga rugti kabaliktaran na din somebody? There is at least one. Ha?
Tikabaliktaran na ket awan. Awan tinangitugot. No awan kananagat, that is also for all. For all Bitiled students, nobody brought a flashlight. Okay? So awan. No adda may sa kabaliktaran na awan. No isu amin kabaliktaran na awan. Kasi jay. No awan ko namti kabaliktaran na adda at least may isa. Or isu amin ket nagitugot. Are we clear? Okay, we will be having an activity next time about this. It will become part of our problem solving. Then to no Miyerkules, we go to data management. DJ review the stat. We get different concepts in stat. Then we go now to know next meeting, Friday, another topic. Then the week after that, baka nalpas tayo to amin then puro activity. Okay, let's try to finish them all. And if you want to have additional topics nga kayat yun, Sir, dati libro ket kasteti kinargana. Take note in our syllabus ngamin, dati nakadado nga topic idya part 2 na we are only going to cover at two topics. Hanya iso anin ket makover. So ang pili kay jay no ayan nat kayat yun. So mabalin nga i-discuss tayo. Ngayon no adan to time tayo, you want nga panayunan the topics, we can still discuss. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will continue next time. Pakitulungan da man dito projector. Ada ni Ma'am yun. Kaya kasama ka na yun ni Ma'am yun. Never naman eh. Kaya. So malagaw. Daming bukod na projector ng Ma'am yung ako kinagaw na. Binatang na kami dito 9,000. Labas lang ni Ma'am sa Baluyan. Okay, goodbye, Bitiled.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye, some Bitiled students. Tama, kawan. Di na dumdum again. All. See you next time.
Yon? Kain din!
Ano nagagawa ka? Ano nagagawa ka? Ano nagagawa ka?
Makin cellphone dito. Eh. Hindi lang talaga daw ako.
Himbak na!
Alam niyo na po